Okay, hi students. So today's lesson is going to talk about question words. We're going to talk about who, what, when, where, and why, like we have before. And now we're going to go over words like how much, how many. Okay. So the first word is who. Who, right? Who is your mom? It's talking about people. Who is your mom? Who is your doctor? Who is your doctor? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Next one is what? What is your name? What is your name, right? My name is Allison. Next one. What is your favorite food? What food do you like? Yeah. What is your favorite food? Oops. What school do you go to? What school does your children go to? What school do your children go to? When, right? This is the other one. When, right? We can talk about time and we can talk about dates. So when do you go to school? What time? When do you go to school? When is your birthday? When do you wake up? What time do you wake up? When do you wake up? The other one is where. Where is your apartment? Where is your apartment? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Where are you from? Where are you from? Next one is why. Why? Why do we wear masks to school, right? Why? You can say why. Why do you like music? Why do you like music? Why are you late? Why are you late? So some of you, I don't have Spanish up written, but I believe why is por qué? Por qué? Por qué? Why? Why are you late? So now we're going to practice this. So if I say, what animal is this? What animal is this, right? Small, brown, has horns, goes like this, right? It's a goat, right? But I say, what animal is this? What animal is this? It's a goat. If I say, when is Eid, right? When is Eid? I want the dates on the calendar, right? Who is this? Who is this? Bald head, big smile. He's in a lot of movies. He's in Moana, right? Who is this, right? It's Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Okay, moving on. All right, so now I can ask, what color is your shirt? What color is your shirt? My shirt is black. Who is your doctor? Who is your doctor? My doctor is Dr. Katz. When does your bus come? When does your bus come? My bus comes at 8 o'clock. Where is your school? Where is your school? My school, the school I teach at, is on 200 South, 300 West, right? Okay, now we're going to talk about questions that use how much, how many. So the first one is how, right? So we have these faces here, right? So if I say, how are you? How are you? I'm asking about how do you feel? What's your mood, right? So if I say, how are you? I want to know, are you good? Are you bad? Are you sick? Are you angry? Yeah. How are you? I am good, right? I could ask, how is your husband, right? How is your wife? How is your spouse? Remember that word spouse? How is your husband? How is your spouse? Are they good? Are they bad, right? Are they sick? Maybe they're sick. Next one we can use is how many? How many? So I can ask, how many children do you have? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 0 children. How many siblings? How many siblings do you have? So this is like brothers, sisters. How many siblings do you have? Okay, now I can ask, how many bananas? How many bananas are here? Right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you could see the one in the back and you could say it's 5, but you could say there's 4 bananas, right? Now, what if I ask, how many children? How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 children, right? We can say how much. How much? This usually has to do with money. Yeah, how much? If I say how much is the car? How much is the car? You'd say, $30,000, right? How much is the car? $30,000. How much is the bicycle? How much is the bicycle? $30, right? $30. How much is the dog? $200. $200 is how much, right? The price, the money. Now we can talk about how long. How long is school, right? My class is 3 hours. So when we say how long, how much time? Or we could say how long, and we can talk about dates. How long have you lived in the US, right? Or we can say how long, which is kilometers, meters, yeah? So I could ask, how long is the flight from Paris to New York City, right? How long is the flight? Or I could ask you, how long was your flight to the United States? Some of you may have come, if you were from the Congo, you may have gone from Congo to Kenya, or Congo to Burundi to Kenya, and then you went from Kenya to Dubai, Dubai to New York City to Utah, right? So you could have any time, right? How long is the flight? How long was your flight, right? So if I fly from Salt Lake to New York City, it's about 4 hours, 4 hours, right? How long is the flight? We could also say how old, how old, how old are you? How old? It wants age. I am 27, right? So how old? If I say how old is the Taj Mahal? How old is the Taj Mahal? It is 390 years old, right? 390 years old. 300, you could say 390 years old. So that's how old. Now we're going to practice, okay? So I could say, how many dogs? How many dogs? If I say how many dogs, it means I want the number. There's 1, 2, 3 dogs. 3 dogs. How much is one dog? One dog. $500 each for one is 500. How old are the dogs? How old are the dogs? Now, this part says 12 weeks old. That's how old the puppies are. Yeah? Okay, so now I'm going to say how many cars? How many cars? There's only one car. How much is the car? How much money is the car? $25,000. How old is the car? How old is the car? The car is 2 years old. 2 years old. How many tomatoes? How many tomatoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 tomatoes, right? 5 tomatoes. How much are the tomatoes? How much are the tomatoes? And it says $3. $3. Okay, that's the end of our lesson today. and I will see you in the next one.